5 ways to create passive income with no money in 2021. Welcome to our channel. I am Daniel Wood, one of the founders of Momentum Property Education, and this is our Passive Income Mastery Saturday show. If you're interested in creating more passive income, make sure you subscribe to our channel because every single Saturday we come out with passive income mastery, where you will learn the latest ways of how to create passive income and how to grow your cash flow. So let's look at the 5 ways you can in 2021 build a passive income stream without having to spend any of your own money. Let's start with my favorite, property investing. One of my favorite strategies on property investing is using creative ways to get a property with no money down. There are lots of ways to do it. You can use lease options, you can use gifted deposit, seller financing, rent to rent, or you can go out and find investors. You can find joint venture partners, investors, partners who spend. So essentially, there are a lot of ways you can work with a seller to make the deal no money down, and you can work with the financing to make it no money down. So that's the first one. If you know property investing, that is a great way to start building your portfolio with no money down. Now, number 2 is if you own your own home, you might have a garden, or especially if you have land near a road, putting up ads is a great way. Selling ad space on your land, on your building is a great way to build passive income. So that is definitely a way you can use. A third way you can create passive income with no money down is sell ad space on your car. There are websites that can help you with this, or you can reach out to your local businesses and offer them the opportunity. The 4th way you can create passive income is by starting an online business. You could create a blog, a website, you could have ad space, you could do reviews, you could do affiliate marketing, and with no money down, you can build yourself a following through social media, through your website, through Google, and start earning an income. The 5th and final way we're sharing today is to become an introducer. Start an introducer business. Basically, what you do is you look at your Rolodex. Who do I know that needs connections, right? Who needs contacts? It might be clients, it might be investors, it might be suppliers even, anything they need. Then you look at the other side. So who do I have that could deliver this? Who would want to buy this product? Who would like to invest in this product? Or who could supply parts to improve that business? And then you connect them with each other and make sure that whatever deal is done between the two, you take a cut of that business. So that's 5 ways you can create passive income with no money down in 2021. The first, learn creative strategies in property investing and get properties no money down. The second, sell ad space on your property, on your home, on your garden, on your lot, and you can earn an income. Sell ad space on your car, create an online business, and create an introductory business. All of these are available for really essentially anyone in the industry. So good luck. I hope to see you again next Saturday. Every single week, we have multiple shows coming out here on Momentum Property Education. On Tuesdays, we do an update on the UK market, looking at the economy in the UK and the world to see what should we be doing as investors, as entrepreneurs, to put ourselves in as good a position as possible to succeed. If on Thursdays, we interview top experts from all over the world. We've interviewed Kim Kiyosaki, Jordan Harbinger, many more, to talk about what they are doing and how they have become so successful and how you can follow in their footsteps. And as you know, Saturdays is Passive Income Mastery. So I'll see you again next week. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and good luck on creating your passive income.